Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. The tortoise once upon a time was not the contented fellow that he is today. There was a time when he wished with all his heart that he could fly. As he watched the birds disporting themselves in the clouds, he felt sure that if he could get up into the air, he could soar with the best of them. One day he called to an eagle who was hovering overhead. Friend eagle, you are the best flyer among all the birds. If you teach me how to fly, I'll bring you all the treasures of the sea. The eagle replied, but you are asking the impossible, friend tortoise. In the first place, you have no wings, and in the second, nature never intended you to fly. But the tortoise kept pleading and promising greater and greater rewards. So finally the eagle said that he would do the best he could. Telling the tortoise to hang on, he bore him high into the sky. Then he lost his hold upon the now thoroughly frightened tortoise and cried, "All right, start flying." The poor tortoise, however, drafted like a plummet and was dashed to pieces on the rocks below. The name of the story, The Tortoise and the Eagle. And the moral, vanity carries its own punishment. The second story. One day a dog stole a piece of meat out of a butcher's shop, and on his way to a safe place where he could eat it without interruption, he had to cross a footbridge over a clear stream. Looking down, he saw his own reflection in the water. Thinking that the reflection was another dog with another piece of meat, and being a greedy dog, he made up his mind to have that also. So he snarled and made a grab for the other dog's meat. As his greedy mouth opened, out dropped the piece of meat and fell into the stream and was lost. The name of the story, The Dog and the Shadow. The moral, grasp at the shadow and lose the substance. Now, daily motivational quote. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love for what you are doing or learning to do. Pele. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.